Ke Dalmia Bharat Foundation harangkat ke jinga tray langbat ke Bethany Society Shillong lembat ke company Usha kila penlong ye ke jinga jihika ye ki arfusan ngot ki nongsu jan ki bana East Jante Hill District. Kajing temu pokong san jong kene kalong ban pentibit shushu ya ka sap jongki bat hadien kene kajing syahikai kita ki arfusan ngut kinyo ye ka sernot na ka company Usha bat kila ban long kinong hikai ye ki wepat bat ban play ye la ki jongki dukan su jan kani kalong ban kintiu ye ka sap bat kumjo ru ban kintiu ye ka yo ka kon jongki daka kam su jan habakren syaki arfusan ngut ki bla syahikai ha ka Usha ukishor ulai ka jingkit bok kit ruyang ye ki bakin nang kiu sya prang ha ka kam su jan bakin la ban play ya ka skul swavalamban ka ban aji kai su jan ye ki wepan swavalamban kambut ban shania holiday ni self dependent uba khangbor rambai project coordinator ulai ka jing kublai kit bok kit riang ye ki arfusan ngut ke bala pendep ye ka jing shai kai su jan ha ka Usha bakin dup la ban seng ye la ka jong ke skul ban hika ye ki we bat ongru bana ka liang jong ke Dalmia Bharat Foundation kan senang but den yaki ula airu yaki kentien jing sneng jing kraw kenang bakinang la banya syaprang kiwepat kibal ajing kren ki kuntup ya UHR head DCBL ukautap saha uba prangkuper marbanyang uranjan barwa ubana Guwahati uba joining dekhar na lumshnong bat kiwe
Ram kaba yung ketika Swavalamban Silai School teacher training ila ajit khnang ye ki khna kham kani ni ka program kabali ada ka Usha dan ni mata pa ni wanle sini sport lum shnong na bata ki is Jante Hill district ni jit kumba arpo sangut balanang bansu lupa nanta apa kidon kinong hikai jong ni nang ni ki bawan na po ka Usha ka ki bagal ka expertise mo ki bakun hikai ki ban upgrade chu ye ka skill jong ki but ye kani ka program ni ye tre lang ka Usha Bethany Society, bat ka Dalmia Bharat Foundation. Ini napo Dalmia Bharat Foundation, but ini nong hitai jongi napo Usha. And then, but kini trainees nakaleng saurong jo kani district. Nilade pa kiwe ki district. Kani napata kai is Jante Hill district. Kani ka program kani kumakundai siye ye, but ibet ye. Hadian bagi ladep training, jika kita kandai ski kita residential training, ni aye ki course surjan, but ka certificate, but ki bawa hadian part ki bawa training, ki bapas na ki teachers, kalau nak pun ke master, ka training na betak kinong hikai, itu part nada ki one ki way part ban hikai haki part, kila ban kila ban yo certificate yang ka Usha kan sai certificate but ki chat code ki bagi ban ai ki ban yarap ye ki kata kadi ke program jogi kumno ka ba ngin ke tiu ye kayo jongki ke kata kadi ka jing mu na kaliang jongi bat spoken na ka Dalmia Foundation ko ka chibin kamtam hagade ka tempin nei kapun biang ka chathia na dong shidong ndai ta kata ka ai dot bat blanket bat pillow cover bat mattress na dong shidong ro kata di ka ba compare kendia
Villages of East Jante Hills district. There are 25 women participants who are participating in the 9-day skill development program on tailoring, as Bariki has mentioned. So the training started on 22nd November, and this is continuing. And the major objective, what we feel that we have to work on the women empowerment sector. This is a part of this, and since they are getting skill training on the tailoring part, so definitely going back their home, respective villages, they will establish Silai schools, and they will be also imparting the skills to the women of that particular villages, as well as this will be a great opportunity for them also to generate some income, so that they can eventually support their families also.